Okay, great people, my grade 8, how are you? Mr. New Love is here again. Those who have not subscribe, click the subscribe button now. Okay, now let's look at a question on rate. Okay, now a car travels 120 kilometers in 3 hours on a straight road. How many kilometers can it travel in 4 hours at the same speed? So we want to write this one mathematically. We can say 3 hours is equals to 120 kilometers. Then 4 hours will be equal to what? You cross multiply. So it's going to be 4 times 120, which is the same as 120 times 4. Then you divide by whatever you have here. So when you press this on the calculator, what are we going to have? We are going to have this one, which is 120 times 4 divided by 3. Got 160. So it's going to be 160 kilometers. Okay. Then you are going to do this one for me. Alright. You do this one. A car travel 190 kilometers in 5 hours on a straight road. How many kilometers can it travel in 6 hours at the same speed? Practice this. Do this one also similar. Okay, we are going to look at this one also. Okay, now James, Paul, and Thomas worked in Mr. Newlove's garden. That's my garden, eh? Yeah, these 3 people are working there. James worked for 6 hours. Paul for 5 hours. And Thomas for 4 hours. They are all working in different hours. Mr. Newlove gave the boys a total of 800 rand for their work. How should they divide the 800 rand among themselves? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to add the number of hours. So we have 6 hours plus 5 hours plus 4 hours. And if we add all this out, you are going to get 15. Then we need to calculate the amount that James should have. James worked for 6 hours. If you check the question, it says he worked for 6 hours. So James, how much is he going to have? It's going to be the 6 hours times the total, which is the 800 rand, divided by the total number of hours. So if I press this on the calculator, see how I'm pressing, what am I going to get? You press this. Those who don't have Casio, please come with one name. Okay, so you have this one equal, and it's going to give us what? 320 rand. Good. Then the next one, for Paul, how much is Paul going to have? You do the same thing. Let's press that. So here I'm going to change the 6 to 5. And this is going to give me 266.67. Alright, this number is more than 4, so you add 1 to this. We are rounding up. Okay, then the next one, Thomas. What is it going to be? Thomas worked for 4 hours. So we are going to have 4 here. And it's going to be that one, 213 rand, 33 cents. Okay, great people, I want you to do this one for me. Paul, Thomas, they work the same. Then this time, this is not 6, this is 7. This is 2. And this is 3. Then this time it's not 800. He increased the money to 1,000 rand. Good. Now you are going to do this one for me. It's not new love, it's in love. How do you spell that one? Like this, ne? Good. I got it. So great people, I want you to do this one for me, ne? Okay, we shall meet again. Bye. All the best.